Hi guys, this is episode 4 of the 50k challenge. This is where I make 5k go to 50k on my demo account. This is just for educational purposes, as I've said before. And in this video, I'm just going to be talking to you about an update of how the challenge is going. I'll just give you a quick one. So right now I'm at 4848, which means I've made a bit of a loss. I'm down about £150 from my initial, actually about £200 because I started at 5080. This is because I had a series of bad trades, three bad trades in a row. Let me show you what they were. Access to history. So if you can see right here, I had 3 bad trades in a row. Dollar Tree lost £138, Groupon lost 169, and British Land lost £94. So the £176 I made was basically nullified by the Groupon loss, and then I'm down the extra like £200. But you know, these things happen. I'm going to see what trades are available for me in the next week, and we'll see where we can go from here. But you know, this is the ups and downs of trading. It wouldn't be remiss to see me make some losses, but I made 3 losses, 1 win. I'm down just over £200. So let's just see how we go in this week coming up, and let's see if we can claw that profit back and break even before we start making some profit again. But yeah, so I just thought I'd give you a quick update on my trades. And once again, if you join my Discord group, you'll see a channel called 50k challenge where I give a breakdown of every trade I make as I make them. So yes, aka Not Trader signing out.